loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful bright gold fall inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. Alrighty, so for this makeup look we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution London eyeshadow palette called Forever Flawless Flamboyance. And for the first step, we're going to be using this beautiful color that you see here called Significant. We're going to be using a small fluffy brush to apply this all over the crease of our eyelids. Just want to quickly jump in here and say welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. Please do not hesitate to comment down below any questions you may have, comments, or even suggestions if you want. Please go ahead. Please do not hesitate to comment down below, like I said, and I'll be sure to respond. For the second step, we're going to be using this beautiful deep almond color right here that you see. It's called Ultra. We're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this all over the outer corner or outer V of our eyelids. Here you see me using the back part of my falsies eyelashes case. Basically it's just like cardstock paper. You're more than welcome to use a note card, cardstock paper like I said, or even just piece of paper, fold it into 3 so it's a bit thicker. I just hold it underneath my eyelid as I'm applying dark colors, or what I perceive to be dark colors, because this may not be too dark for you, but either way, this collects the fallout and I don't want any of the excess product falling onto the cheeks of my face or onto my foundation. The next step is to blend. In this case, we're going to be blending out Ultra and Significant using a small fluffy brush as well. Please do not hesitate to blend. Please do not skip this step. This is so important for any eyeshadow look because you want to make sure that all the colors are well blended together and nothing looks choppy. For the next step, we're going to be using one of my favorite colors. It's called Ibis. It's a shiny coral gold color that you see here. And for this, we're going to be using a small flat brush. Here, I said you don't need any sort of setting spray. What I mean is you don't need to apply any sort of setting spray onto the brush, like sometimes you do for those light glitters, because it's necessary for you to like pack it onto the eye, but in this case, I don't deem it necessary. We're going to be applying this color from the center part of the eyelid down to the inner corner of the eye, and then we're going to be blending it out. So as I always say, blending is key. Please do not skip this step. I say this in every video. It is so important, and in this case we're just blending out Ibis with Ultra. We're almost done. For the next step, well, last step really, we're going to apply this beautiful color you see here, Significant. It's the same color we used on the crease of our eyes, and we're going to apply it to the lower lash line. I wanted it to kind of soften the look a bit, but you're more than welcome to do to the bottom what you did to the top, so you can apply Ibis and Ultra the same way that we did to the top, up to you. But in this case, I really just wanted to apply Significant. And this is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really enjoyed this makeup look. Like I said, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, and please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. I'll see you guys next time. God bless. I send you lots of kisses. Bye.